humankind has used the cycle of creation and destruction to reshape its future. Our machines have been unsung leaders in shaping the landscape of that future. For 60 years, we have repeatedly recreated and pushed our limits in order to make this machine the world's best. Be creative. That's the belief. The high developmental power to smash preconceptions and create new value. Our commitment to in-house production has given us the technological strength to produce machines like no other. The value of a machine is not just in its performance. High performance must be maintainable over the long term. That is what our technically robust aftercare service supports. It's all to produce the most popular machines in the world. The world can be changed. Recreate the world. TAGUCHI.